Hello students, for class 10 NCERT exercise 5.2 term, that means nth term வந்து 78 na what is n இதுதான் question. So we know nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to the last term is given as 78. L means last term, or you can write an also last term. So an oda value எழுதிட்டோம். A is first term is 3. D means difference. What is difference? 8 minus 3 5. So இங்கே வந்து 5. Now take plus 3 அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போனீங்கன்னா minus 3. So minus 2 அந்த சைடு எடுத்து போகிறப்போ plus 2. So 5n equal to 8. Therefore 8n equal to 16. Therefore 16th term is 78. Thank you.